Okay. Now I will do for each loop. For each loop. Okay, for each loop. Before that, we need to understand what is an array. What is an array? Okay. So I'll show you one diagram. You people tell me what is an array. Okay. Array. Okay. Array is a group of homogeneous elements. Okay. Array is a group of homogeneous elements. Array is a group of homogeneous elements. Spelling English weak. Okay, so homogeneous element. Array is a group of homogeneous elements. You can, okay, and it is represented by like this. Suppose ARR is the name of the array. Square brackets, this is the way you represent it. There are different ways in writing the array also. Okay, that I will tell you. Array is a group of homogeneous elements. Indexing starts from 0. Indexing starts from 0. This is an integer array. You are storing only integers only. Data type you have told it is integer. Usually we will have int I is equal to 6. Int I is equal to 6 means only one place, okay, you can store 6. You can store 6. Sorry. You can store 6. Only one. But I want to store 6 also, 56 also, 89 also, 23. All this I want to store. Then only one integer or one character or one string will not be sufficient. Will not be sufficient. What is a string? I'll tell you later. So it is like a shelf, almirah. Almirah is there, no? It's like an almirah. 0. Indexing starts from 0. In the 0th shelf, how much you have stored? Anybody?
23.
23. In the one shelf, first shelf, 56.
56.
Yeah, you can be on mute here. Yeah, fine. So like this, you are storing. Okay. This is called an array of integers. If you store single character in single quotes, that is char data type. Here also indexing starts from 0. ARR of 0 is small a, capital Z at the rate space 1, like that. Not 1 as an integer, but 1 as a character, single quotes. Group of characters in double quotes is called string. Raj, Sunil, Aarti, Anil, Sushma, different strings. First index, Raj is being stored. Okay. 1 Sunil. So this is a string array. This is an integer array. This is a character array. Like that float array, double array. Till now, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you are thinking that only primitive data types only you can store in, okay, you can use the advanced for loop. Collections is also there. Collections. It can store objects. What are objects? I'll tell a little later. Right now, I'll give a small example. Are you seeing a calendar? Calendar, are you able to see?
Yes.
Yeah, this calendar, these are all integers, right? All are integers, right?
Yes, sir.
No, they are not integers. Suppose this is a website, IRCTC ka site. and
Yeah,
I
number
want-
also there. Yeah.
I didn't get you.
Sorry.
No, you are telling something?
No, I'm saying number also there and name also there.
No, leave it. Okay.
Okay.
So these are web elements. These are web elements inside a website. Okay. Even this is a null. Okay. These are all web elements. Suppose I have to click on 19 date. If I have to click on 19, I have to capture this null value. Null means not zero, not white space also. It means nothing. Nothing means nothing. To depict nothing, people tell null. So all these null values we will put in an array like this also I will put in an array. Okay. These are web elements whose text happens to be integers. That's all. It is actually a web element, but the text is 1. Web element, but the text is 2. Web element, no text, null. Okay. So this is also a web element. Okay, this is also a web element. Okay, in a website. So if I have to click on 19, how will I click? I will store all these web elements in a collection because collection can store objects. Java was invented 1991. So only primitive data types, but later on collections also came. Okay, was added in advanced Java. Okay, so 1.2 version onwards. So it will also take objects. It take objects, website elements. Google website is there. All auto suggestions will come. All auto suggestions will come. If you tell Kapil Sharma, Kapil Dev will come. If you type Vijay Talapati, Vijay Setupati, Vijay Devarkonda, Vijay Verma, all those people will come. Okay, famous Google algorithm. So you have to, as a manual tester, you have to check whether Vijay Setupati is there or not. If I type Vijay, that is a test case. In the interview, they may ask. So you have to capture them in a list. In a list. List is nothing but a collection. Okay, forget about it. Right now, you forget about it. I'm just being little futuristic. Don't underestimate for each loop. It is more useful than your for loop. Yesterday we have seen for loop. For each is more useful. Okay, it is used in Selenium, left, right, and center. For a change, I will do small things, 2 small things I will do. Okay, my intention is not to run fast, just 2 small things I will do. Okay, int ARR is equal to, can anybody give me some 5 numbers, please? Anybody? 5 numbers.
5, 4, 6, 7, 8,
Fantastic, Priyanka. 5, 4, 4, 6,
7,
8. Fantastic. Okay, good that okay, you have given your new to testing. So I want everybody to be little different. Okay, give little bigger number. Okay, just for a change I'm telling, because manual testing also when you do, right, so you have to give different numbers. Okay, different. Okay. So also give 0. Let's see what it will take. 80, 90, whatever. Okay, like this. For a change. Okay, for a change. Up to now. Now, because I want everybody to come out of the comfort zone every time. Every time come out of the comfort zone. Because if you see my first pack, right, when I was asking the names, so people were giving only movie actors' names. I told be little different. Then they started Messi. Then somebody gave Sundar Pichai, Kalpana. Earlier it was all actors and that too male. Okay. So everywhere when you have to give something, right, think little different. We have testers. We are not developers. Developers' job is tough. I mean, testers' job is also tough, but their job is to build. They are not responsible if something is leaking in the production. Live environment, if something is defect is coming. If we test, nobody should get a defect. That's how we have to test. Okay, that means we have to think different. Developer is developing like this. Acha, so let me check this is working or that is working. That also is working. We'll see. That mindset you should have. Now, I will find the length of the array. So length of the array. Okay. Length of the array ARR dot length. When you give the length of the array, brackets are not there for length. Brackets are not there for length. That is one thing you have to observe. Right click, run as 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ARR is the name of the array. How many index we can have in the array? Anybody, how many indices that are 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 4. In the first place, 545. In the second, ARR of 0 is 545. This is ARR of 1 is 42. 2 is -6. 4 is 0. And ARR of 4 is 89. Clear everybody till now? This part is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So this part is clear. I will take one string. String str is equal to, can anybody give me some celebrity name?
Deepika Alia.
Deepika Alia is only either Deepika Padukone or Alia
Oh,
Bhatt.
Deepika.
Huh?
Deepika. One celebrity name.
Deepika like
Okay, fine. Alia.
no. Deepika, there is one more celebrity.
Okay.
Dinesh Karthik wife's name is also Deepika, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So Deepika Padukone or Deepika, I don't know the title. Okay, Padukone. Okay, string. Okay, I want to know the length of the string. Okay, this is a string. I want to know the length of the string. So length of the string is, you know what? If I put a dot, immediately length will with bracket is available. Length with bracket is available. Remember, length method, it returns an integer. So it will give you an integer number here. So this will get printed plus 15 or 16, some length, I don't know. Okay, that will come. 16, right? Okay. Including the space, the length. Okay. This part is clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between array ka length and string ka length? String ka length is a method. Okay. And with brackets it will be there, and without, all the methods are having brackets. Just like main is a method, brackets. Okay. That is one thing you have to observe. This int array, right? You can, there is no rule that you have to give here only. You can give here also. That part is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just like this way. Clear? Okay. Now I'll remove this. I don't want. It will be, it's only, I can tell this at the string while creating that, I'm discussing the string, but I want you to see the subtle differences also. Okay. You are the class teacher of a class. You are the class teacher of a class. You want to make The following roll numbers stand up. 5 stand up, 7 stand up, 9 stand up, 11 stand up, 13 stand up. Then next one,
15.
15 stand up. Okay. Like that, you have to make them stand up. Use a normal for loop. Use a normal for loop. For int I is equal to 5, I less than or equal to 15, I plus equal to 2. Like this you can give, or you can also give I is equal to I plus 2 also. And then you tell stand up, okay, whatever, print, whatever. But if you have to tell all the students from roll number 1 to 3 stand up, 29 also stand up, 30 stand up. So will you tell from roll number 1 till roll number 30, adding 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, please stand up. You'll tell like this, each of you stand up. Which is easier?
Each of you stand up.
That's what. There you have the answer. So for each loop, when you are storing in an array, it will apply to all the index values. Okay, index values means it will take care of this one only, but all the values stored, right, in each index memory location, it will apply. That is your for each loop. That is your for each loop. For each loop. It's also called as advanced for loop. It is also called as enhanced for loop. It is not that you will only use for arrays. String array, character array, or integer array. You will also use for calendars, auto suggestions, web elements, वगैरह वगैरह. So you will be using for arrays and collections. What is the syntax of advanced for loop? We'll see. What is the syntax of advanced for loop? We'll see. For what is the data type here? Is it a character or is it a string? The data type of the array?
Integer.
Integer. Give integer. Can anybody give, those who have not spoken today, can anybody give your favorite alphabet? Those who have not spoken at all today, favorite alphabet?
Yes.
I. Okay, I. Okay, other than I, because in time we are giving, right? Anything we can give. Yeah, Vinita?
Yes.
S. S. What is the name of the array?
ARR.
ARR. Brackets, never give brackets. Okay, don't give brackets. Just the name of the array. SYSO control space S. Okay, that's it. That's all. That's all. I'll first print it and then I'll explain. It has printed. So what happens here? I'll tell you. What happens here? I'll tell you. This S, right? Okay. This S in the array. Okay. In the array. This S. Okay. This S in the array. What is the array? This one. Okay. This is the array. Here, to be specific, here it is. Okay. This S will first become 545. In the first iteration, you are printing 545 and going to the next line. You have printed 545 and went to the next line. In the next iteration, S in the array will become 42. So 42, you are printing 42 and going to the next line. So you have printed 42 and the cursor is in the next line. In the next iteration, S in the array will become -6. And then you are printing -6 and going to the next line. -6 and going to the next line. Next S in the array will become 0. You are printing 0 here and going to the next line. S in this array will become each and every person here. Clear, everybody?
Clear.
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yeah, right? This is your advanced forward. That's it. Okay. Now, and we use a lot in, I'll also be doing lots and lots of interview programs. I'll also give you more and more assignments, more question papers also I'll give. Okay. So almost every day there will be a test. Okay. We can use ChatGPT if you are not able to solve it. But if you are writing the answer in the next class, I'll ask, you have to answer it. Because I need 1 hour commitment from you people. After the class, before coming to the next class, revise everything till now, cumulative fashion. Next week, we should not forget control statements. Okay. The way we prepare it is more important than the volume we prepare. If somebody is asking you some question, if you are able to answer instantly, confidently, without thinking too much, they will think that you are a real automation guy. Okay, still you will have a lot of challenges, few challenges in the office. It will be very, very less, 0.1 or 1% challenge only you will have. Okay, if you practice here. If you sweat more in practice, you will bleed less in war. And other way around is also true. If you sweat less in practice, you will bleed more in the war. So why do people practice? Because in real time, you don't have the pressure. You do the work just like office only.